In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed and trim a video in Microsoft PowerPoint 365. Whether you're preparing a presentation for school, work, or just for fun, adding multimedia can make your slides more engaging and informative. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can efficiently include videos in your presentations. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have Microsoft PowerPoint 365 installed and up to date to follow along seamlessly. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you want to enhance with a video. If you're starting a new presentation, go ahead and create a blank slide where you'd like to insert the video. Now, direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab located in the ribbon menu. This area is your gateway to adding various elements to your slide, like pictures, charts, and in this case, videos. After opening the Insert tab, look for the Video option. Clicking this will present you with several choices for embedding video files. For this demonstration, choose Stock Videos. This option allows you to browse through a variety of readily available videos without the need to source external files. Once the stock video gallery pops up, explore your options to find the video that best complements your presentation content. Preview a few options if needed to ensure it fits your theme and message. Once you've decided on the perfect video, click on it to select it. With your video selected, proceed by clicking the Insert button. This action will embed the chosen video into your current slide, allowing you the flexibility to adjust its size and placement on the slide to suit your layout preferences. Next, to begin the trimming process, select the video to make sure you're in the appropriate editing mode. Navigate to the Playback tab in the ribbon menu. The Playback tab provides tools to edit and customize your video's playback settings. One of the key features here is the Trim Video option. Click on it and a new window will appear, allowing you to trim the video to your desired length. Use the sliders in this window to define the start and end times of your video segment. This feature is incredibly useful if you only want to focus on a specific part of the video without showing its entirety. Once you're satisfied with the trimming, simply click OK to apply your changes. Your video is now ready to play in its newly edited format. As you prepare to finalize your presentation, feel free to test the video playback to ensure everything runs smoothly during your presentation. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to embed and trim a video in Microsoft PowerPoint 365. Adding video to your slides not only helps communicate your message more powerfully, but it also keeps your audience engaged. Happy presenting, and I hope this tutorial helps elevate your PowerPoint skills.